All right, let's do a sound check.
Check one, check one.
I'm Cash.
Johnny Cash?
I can't do this, guys. It's all just static. It hurts my ears.
All right. I got us going left here.
I have us going right. I have us going left here.
Yeah, I got us going right and then left on Long Lake Road. Oh, we got a bit of a water crossing situation here. I should just blast them. Woo, nice and dark in here. Big truck coming.
With a load of camp wood.
Yeah. Ooh, he's swaying good.
Yeah.
Ooh, they're busy at the Cardinal today. All right, coffee time.
Goodbye.
You there, Murray?
Hello?
Hello.
Avoiding us.
Yeah, that's it. You talk too much, Ernie. So.
Oh, sorry.
How do you download offline maps?
So you click on your picture, and then there's like offline, and then you can go in and you select how big of an area you want to cover, and it downloads it.
Look at that. Duncan's got a big rock. We're just waiting to throw it at.
Oh, yeah. Boy, the Ride the Highlands has done a great job of advertising this year for tourism, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Like the number of posts I see of people taking different routes, not just the off-road routes, but the on-road routes too.
Yeah. Oh, there's some great roads up here.
Yeah, and it's not that far from Toronto, right? So
Yeah. Yeah. Mississippi Station.
the mighty Mississippi. See, we could have rode the rail up here.
Got the guys from the gas station.
Yeah.
One guy's on a KLR.
See, our turn is coming up.
And we're turning. Whoa, shit.
I said our turn is coming up.
Yeah. I looked down to see how far it was to come. The turn was.
Oh.
By the time I looked up, I was like, "Oh, there it is." I should just trust the guy in front of me and just worry about it. Oh, it's paved all the way through. Yeah, see, we could have gone swimming here. That was the airing down portion of our video. We're stopping for a bit. They had some pounding thunderstorms come through here yesterday.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
So we should have some water to deal with.
Probably some runoff ruts.
Ooh!
All right, I'm wet now.
I'm not.
This is where we go.
Is this like kind of paved, or is it packed sand?
I think it's just packed down really well.
Yeah.
So that's where I've gone before.
Oop.
I've gone that way on a sled before. There's a scenic site on the right as you pass by.
What, the sports club?
Yeah, I don't know. Duncan slammed his brakes on them and pointed at it. I don't know.
Oh, maybe there was a deer.
Oh, could have been, yeah. Bad spot for a deer to hang out.
Got your permit?
Permit's good. If you don't have internet back here, you're not going to be able to show them.
I have a screenshot of my confirmation.
There you go. Car coming.
Okay.
2 cars.
I gave him the snowmobile signal. Point behind me.
Yeah, thanks. We got to stay to the left here.
Hydro line. Oh, I've been here before on a sled.
Yeah, I have too. It's fun.
Yeah, I know exactly where I am. Sort of.
That means that we have to come back this winter and do it on the sleds. Stopped here before. There's another sign up there.
E-Trail.
E-Trail. Google Maps must use some sort of like optical recognition technology or OCRing of some kind that follows, like when they map out a road. Oh, what's going on here? Nice. Oh yeah, this was the spot on the map too. I thought we could swim.
Yeah. Our lake.
But they must use some sort of optical recognition to map out these roads with the lines on the map. Because when you look at this road, it doesn't necessarily, the line on Google Maps doesn't follow the road very closely.
Yeah.
Because it's all covered in trees. Got a water, or puddle crossing, I'll say.
Enough to get my boots wet.
I think we want to follow the hydro lines here. Oh, cool.
Little hidden gem.
I think we're lost now. Well, watch the mud here, guys.
Yeah.
My GPS says it's not even close to being on trail right now.
Ugh. Mine does, though.
Yeah, I think we want to go back. Yeah. Okay. Getting
I'm
warm.
good with
Could go for a swim.
that. Right here, eh?
Yeah, right here. This is where we should have gone. Oh boy. That's what I got too. Oh boy. This might be technical.
You think?
There's a big rock at the end that pops up. Oh, it gets smooth up here though.
Oh, yeah.
Keep your momentum up. Now she's rough. Oh boy. Oh, I just stalled her. Yeah, lots of space, I guess. I don't think there's a way around this water hole. Ooh, that's deep. I guess I'll follow him. So all the hills, they're all washed off from all the rain. Your feet wet, Murray?
I don't know. I think we lost Murray.
Oh, did we?
I heard a couple beeps, and he's quiet now.
He's probably turned it off so he can cuss and curse. Oh, good news, good news. It was just that section. You back, Murray?
I saw him playing with it, so he's trying.
I wonder, he might have not been able to reach up during that technical stuff.
Try clicking yours, Jeff, and see if he reconnects.
I might lose you. Hold on.
Phone connected.
You guys there?
Yeah.
There we go.
Where the f have you been?
Where the f have you been? Ernie's like, just press your button and see if you connect. As soon as I did that, I lost everyone.
Yeah, but Murray came back.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
I had a whole shitload of waypoints on my GPS.
Oh.
So every time we were getting near one, it would give me a little warning on the dash, but it would also cut me off on the intercom.
Oh, shit. So that's all that happened.
Yeah. Let's take that track.
There's a track going up the middle of the hydro lines that looks pretty technical.
That's what I mean.
Oh.
I was being a smartass.
Oh, yeah. You go ahead. Right there.
Yeah. tree up ahead.
Tree overhead.
Tree overhead. Couple of those.
I'm kind of surprised we haven't ran into any other bikes.
Yeah.
Yeah, or four-wheelers, or side-by-sides, or... Bikes are coming.
Bikes?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice bike.
There's a KLR in there. Oh, geez, side-by-side. Okay, time to slow down. Don't need to meet people head-on like that.
Who was just saying, surprised we haven't seen any bikes?
Yeah. Jinxed it. I honked and waved. Another bike coming. Look at this view, guys.
There's a gate up there, though.
Look at this view.
Yeah.
That's neat.
Wonder what lake that is.
Paddy Hill, this is called.
K&P Trail ahead.
Yep. Yeah, you pull off the KP and follow this road. Yeah, there's the KP. By the place right next to Redneck Bistro. I bet you it's busy. I'm going in here.
Yeah, I'm following you.
Oh, there's a car there though, eh?
Where are you going?
I guess we should go up there.
All right. After everything we just did, do you think I could navigate a little grass?
Grass is slippery though. Holy.
Goodbye.